Hi, welcome to a very brief episode of Home Studio Workshop. This is the last one before the great holiday binge begins, and therefore it's going to be short. This is all about a little program called Everything. It's a search and find thing for your files on your computer, and I thoroughly recommend it. It is so much better than the built-in ones that Windows supplies. We'll go through that quickly and have another word in a minute. Okay, here's my Christmas present to you all. Everything. What do you give people who have nothing? Everything. It's a fantastic little program. I'm going to open it. And as you can see, it has immediately loaded every file on your computer, which is pretty staggering when you think of what some of the built-in Windows search engines are like, the chaos and the faffing about, and it's done. And then you can immediately sort them on name, on path, on size, instantly. Whenever they're modified, type takes a while, obviously. There being 707,000 files on my computer. You probably have more, but it's a wonderful little tool. There are more things you can do. It will pick up anything that's on the computer. If you plug in an external hard drive, it'll pick up that as well. There are options under the Tools menu that are too widespread and deep to go into, but there's all kinds of filters you can put on and extra ideas and ways of searching. But the defaults have been good enough for me for several years. It's a fantastic program and I thoroughly recommend it. Well, that was fun, wasn't it? As usual, any questions or comments or anything, please do that and subscribe and all that kind of stuff. And I'd like to wish you all a very happy holiday, whatever holiday you celebrate. Personally, I celebrate the 21st of December because then it starts to get light, unless you're in Australia, obviously, or other places. There are other places south of the equator. Anyway, have a really great time, and let's all hope that next year is, at least politically, better than this one. See you later.